there is a snowy egret. And right over there is another one. Right here at the Clark Wildlife Preserve and Habitat. Yeah, baby. Hoo-wee. Hey there, little buddy. You're looking good. Hey there, Toby. Look at all that muck. This stuff really reeks and smells bad. Ew. No. All right, let's keep moving. There's a sign that's looking good. They got these things all over town. Yeah, baby. Looking good, honey. You're looking good today. Yeah, baby. Esposito Park over there. Yes, it is. Let's go check it out, Toby. You ready? Here we go. What does that sign say? I have no idea. Nice little walk through here. Toby, yep. All right. It's looking good. There's the resi down there. Boy, it smells. This is just a little trail. People walk their dogs, and the deer use this path too. Yes, they do. Alrighty, and there are homes right here. You don't want to put a 10-foot, 12-foot wide pathway here. No, you don't. Right, Toby? No. Let's just put the pathways in the water, and let's do it like that. I say, yeah, let's do it like that. There's a night heron. Marie, my sister's got those down in Newport Richey, Florida. And this guy's looking for food, and he's also keeping an eye on me. So yeah, baby. Hoo-wee. Have a nice day. There he goes. Alrighty. This reservoir is like an exotic bird factory and sanctuary. So if you want to know more about what's going to happen and what is happening at the Clark Reservoir on a daily basis, you're going to want to follow me on Facebook. You're going to want to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You're going to want to follow me on TikTok. That's at John Victor Jacobson for everything. Instagram too. Yeah, baby. Hoo-wee.